Well, again, I don't know if how many of you know this, but this guy, the Canuck, well, he was a Canadian citizen until 2014. Alright? So here's a guy born in Canada in 70? And he gave up his Canadian citizenship in 2014. Who in their right mind would think that he's eligible to run for the Oval Office? Huh? According to this article, I'm going to attach the link. It was posted February 19th, written by Jim Hoft. Illinois judge sets March 1st court date to hear arguments on Ted Cruz's eligibility lawsuit. Now, Cruz's lawyers are trying to fight it, saying that Cruz wasn't served. The judge doesn't seem to be buying it. So apparently, on the 1st, the judge in Cook County is going to listen to the arguments. I don't see how there is any argument. I mean, if the guy gave up his Canadian citizenship in 2014, one would assume he was a Canadian. Huh? You know what this all comes back to, though? It all comes back to Obama. Obama was never eligible. And he's pretty much run amok for the last 7.5 years, destroying our country. Who do you think should ultimately be held accountable for that? Well, I think Nancy Pelosi should be spending the rest of her life in Guantanamo. I think Obama needs to go to Guantanamo. If not, walk up 13 stairs. This whole thing is a complete farce. They're not going to get themselves involved, they meaning this criminal, dysfunctional administration, because if Cruz isn't eligible and Marco's ineligible, which they're both ineligible, guess what? So is Obama. Didn't matter where he was born. I don't know how many times I've said this. The British Act of 1948 makes it very clear. If you yourself were born to a British subject, then you yourself are in fact a British subject. End of argument. Can you imagine the ramifications of that if Obama was proven to have been ineligible, which he is? Totally insane. We'll see if this federal judge in Cook County listens to the argument and rules. Ted might not find himself too concerned about Super Tuesday, if you sort of know what I mean. And it isn't just Illinois. His eligibility is being questioned in a number of other states. I don't know why no one's questioning little Marcos. I mean, his father and his mother were both Cuban citizens until he was 4 years old. Are you guys sort of asleep out there? Huh? Huh?